So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Neira, and today I have a video on my hair, my natural hair. Like most of the times on my videos you don't see my hair much, but this is my hair. I'm like 3 years natural, about to be 4. And I'll just show you how I grew my hair. Got the feeling that So the first video you see, which is in May, this is when I had perm hair still, and I was straightening my hair. The second one, that's in December, like that's my hair. Like I'll straighten it a lot, and I wouldn't even wear it out. So this one here that you see in the 6th, my ends are mad straggly, like you could see, and half of my hair was like grown out. And then the one you see, the 26th one, was where I did a big chop. And I did that. I actually started in the middle of my hair because I was like, let me start in the middle because there's no going back if I start in the middle. So I did that. I would always wear protective style, like that hair that you've seen. So I got heat damage on the side of my hair because I would always wear a side part. I wanted my hair slayed and laid, like so bad. So I got heat damage. This is where I cut my ends, the 28. I cut my ends, like I had cut my ends. And this is where I straightened it, as you see. And then the one in 2016, I straightened my hair again. I don't even think I had straightened it fully, but I just did it just to see how long my hair grew. So 2017, like you could see, like my hair grew a lot since 2016. I didn't straighten it that much. 23 was where I had straightened my hair, and that's like the last time that I think I did straighten my hair. And then the rest of the time I wear a weave. And these are the products that actually really helped grow my hair. That Hair, Skin, and Nails. If you haven't tried that, you need to. It's like Hair Infinity. So if you try that, and there's also gummies. Like the gummies are really good, but I felt like the texture was really weird against my teeth, so I didn't really like it like that. But they tasted really good, and I would eat them like candy. Also, like, I just drink a lot of water. Like, all the time, I just drink water. So maybe that's why my hair grew so fast. I don't know. But I recently started using a growth hair oil. And because I heard, like, a lot of people said that helped grow their hair. So I'll braid my hair and then put that on my scalp and then put on my wig. This is the end product. This is recent day. February 11th is when I straightened my hair again, since I haven't for like a long time, and that's when I straightened it. And yeah, I'm pretty much like past armpit length. I don't know if you would say bra strap length maybe. And my next goal is mid back length. So when I hit that, yeah, I'll make a video again. But thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.